So here in our nice little wall of automation, we have our Innovelli Smart Switch, our AOTech NanoMote Quad, the Innovelli Smart Bulb, our Amazon Alexa, and our Google Home. So now say I would like to turn on the light but not move the eye blinds. Come into the room, leave the room, turn it off. I want the blinds open. Double tap to open the blinds. And this is just one of the many automations that you can set up. But just to show that you can use the switch for multiple functions and you can control multiple devices off of one switch.